Hello, people of the interwebs. Today, we're making a quick, simple, and delicious warm German potato salad. Yum. I'm Chef Cash White, and I'm here today because God delivered me from my circumstances and put me in a place where I can share my love of food with you. Thanks for stopping by and spending a little time with me today. What we're doing here on Chef Cash White is very important. We're trying to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ, His redeeming grace, share with you guys some amazing recipes that are easy, fun, and family friendly. Make sure you click subscribe below. Click the little bell next to it. It'll give you a notification every time we post a new video. Today, what I have in mind for everybody, since we're getting ready for picnic season, is a German potato salad, or kind of my play on a German potato salad, something kind of fun. It's very easy, it's simple recipe. It can be served warm or cold. I kind of like it warm, to be honest. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take some Yukon Gold potatoes. I've already cut them into thin slices on my mandolin. Got about 2 pounds here, very easy, just quick slice like this. I soaked them in water for a little while I was doing some other stuff until I was ready to get cooking. We're gonna take those, we're gonna toss them in a vinaigrette with some Parmesan cheese, some onions, some bacon. Let's get rocking and rolling. So we're gonna start with these sliced Yukon Gold potatoes, and I'm gonna get them boiled to the right consistency that I want. So let's go over to our stove. See, we just lit this and it's already almost boiling. This GE monogram stove with a quick boil is the way to go. Isn't that right, GE? Ding! All right, so we got our water boiling. We're gonna slide our potatoes in there. Do this really carefully because this water will splatter. I know that that's kind of silly, but don't throw them in there too fast, or I don't want you to burn yourself. Now we're gonna boil them. We'll probably boil them, once it actually starts a hard boil with the potatoes in there, we'll probably boil them for, I don't know, 6 minutes, 5-6 minutes. You wanna take one out every once in a while and try it. You don't want them to be mushy. You want them to have a little bit of toothsomeness so they don't fall apart when you toss them in the vinaigrette. While we're finishing our potatoes and they're over there on the stove boiling, we're gonna make a quick little apple cider vinaigrette to toss these potatoes in. If you guys have watched any of my salad videos, we always make our own vinaigrettes in protein shakers, or whatever you call these shakers. So we're gonna start with about 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, about half of a tablespoon kosher salt, half of a teaspoon granulated garlic, and half of a teaspoon of black pepper. Just a real simple vinaigrette. The last thing we're gonna do is a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. That kind of acts as the emulsifier. We're gonna do a montage of me shaking this. Just like that, you have a vinaigrette. Our potatoes are cooked perfectly. There's a little bit of snap to them, but they're nice and cooked. So we're gonna drain them right now, and we're gonna add our vinaigrette to it. Ouch. So, can't really see what's going on. We're gonna dump those guys in there. We got our vinaigrette already made. Let's go ahead and add that. Now comes the goodies. We're gonna add about 1/8 of a cup of diced red onion, about the same 1/8 of a cup of chopped green onion. We're gonna add 1/4 cup chopped bacon. If you guys have any questions on how to cook bacon the right way, take a look at our how to bacon video. I cut these into little chunks, and I used thick cut bacon like this because it's delicious. And then I'm gonna add about 1/8 of a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And just mix all this stuff up together. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. The good thing is I get to eat it. And you can eat it too if you just follow my recipe. I'm gonna finish it with just about 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. Mix that all together and we are good to go. That is our delicious and simple warm German potato salad. Thank you guys for watching us, and remember, the most important part of what we do here at Chef Cash White, simply this: keep the faith, enjoy the food. I love you guys. I hope I have stalker fans, that'd be cool. Means I'm doing something right. Right? That's a diphthong, right? Can you do that one? Can you edit to that? So I don't sound like Porky Pig, y'all. I am the last one. Hello, is it me you're looking for?